Dear students, at Conceptual Orthopaedics, we are organizing a postgraduate course on 15th, 16th and 17th of November this year. I hope it is a very good opportunity for all of you to experience a hands-on case presentation session. You can all participate by presenting cases and discussing all your doubts. We are going to have a plethora of eminent orthopedic surgeons and teachers participating in this teaching program. I would strongly recommend that you participate in this and benefit from the experience of learned teachers. Thank you.